The best recumbent bikes of 2023 revealed. Get fit with ease. Hey there, fellow fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our YouTube reviewing channel, where we take pleasure in breaking down the hottest products on the market to help you make informed decisions. Today, we've got something special in store for all you biking aficionados out there. That's right, we're diving into the top 5 best recumbent bikes of 2023. Best overall, Schwinn Fitness. First, introducing the Schwinn Fitness, the ultimate recumbent bike that sets the bar high for an exceptional workout experience. With its sleek design and robust build, this bad boy offers unmatched stability and durability, ensuring it stands the test of time. But what truly sets it apart is the outstanding features it boasts. From multiple resistance levels catering to both beginners and seasoned pros, to its interactive LCD console tracking your progress in real time, the Schwinn Fitness delivers a powerhouse performance. Feel like conquering an uphill challenge? Just adjust the resistance dial. Need some motivation? Tune into your favorite music with the built-in speakers and media shelf. Worried about your heart rate? Monitor it with the handlebar sensors. Plus, the comfortable seat ensures a pain-free ride, and the USB charging port keeps your devices juiced up. This recumbent bike is the Ferrari of fitness, leaving you feeling accomplished and eager for every ride. So hop on, pedal away, and elevate your fitness game with Schwinn Fitness. Most comfortable, Soul Fitness SB900. Next up, we have the Soul Fitness SB900, the epitome of comfort in the world of recumbent bikes. If you value a smooth and luxurious ride, this is the one for you. The SB900 is designed to provide an unparalleled level of comfort, ensuring you enjoy your workouts to the fullest. Its ergonomic design and plush cushioned seat make you feel like you're floating on air as you pedal away the calories. But don't be fooled by its cozy appearance. This bike means business. Equipped with a heavy-duty flywheel and a whisper-quiet magnetic resistance system, the SB900 delivers a challenging and silent workout experience, perfect for those early morning or late-night sessions. With adjustable handlebars and seat, finding your ideal riding position is a breeze. It's suitable for all body types, accommodating every member of the family. So, whether you're a seasoned cyclist or a complete beginner, the Soul Fitness SB900 is your ticket to unparalleled comfort and top-notch performance. Best for beginners, ProForm C10R. Up next on our list is the ProForm C10R, the perfect companion for beginners stepping into the world of recumbent bikes. If you're new to the fitness game, fret not, because the C10R has got your back. This user-friendly bike is designed with simplicity in mind, making it easy for anyone to jump on and start pedaling towards their fitness goals. Equipped with a range of preset workout programs, it guides you through various intensity levels, gradually building your stamina and strength. The adjustable seat and handlebars ensure a comfortable and customized fit for users of all shapes and sizes. Plus, with its interactive LCD display, you can track your progress, keeping you motivated to push a little harder every time. The ProForm C10R is like having a personal trainer at your disposal, pushing you towards greatness with every pedal stroke. So, if you're ready to kickstart your fitness journey with confidence, the ProForm C10R is the perfect entry point for you. Best value, Schwinn 230. Now, let's talk about the Schwinn 230, the epitome of best value in the realm of recumbent bikes. This fantastic bike offers a perfect blend of performance, features, and affordability, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious fitness enthusiasts. Despite its pocket-friendly price tag, the Schwinn 230 doesn't skimp on quality or functionality. It boasts a wide range of resistance levels, allowing you to tailor your workouts to your fitness level and goals. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider, this bike will challenge you just the right amount. The Schwinn 230 comes equipped with a user-friendly LCD console that displays all your essential workout metrics, helping you keep track of your progress and stay motivated. But wait, there's more. Want to be entertained while you sweat it out? This bike is equipped with a media shelf, USB charging port, and built-in speakers, transforming your workout space into a personal entertainment hub. Say goodbye to boredom and hello to motivation. The bike's adjustable and cushioned seat ensures a comfortable ride, allowing you to focus on pushing your limits without any discomfort. Schwinn, being a reputable brand, ensures the 230 is built to last, giving you peace of mind that your investment will pay off in the long run. So, if you're on the hunt for an outstanding recumbent bike that won't break the bank, the Schwinn 230 is your go-to option. Best folding, Exerpeutic 400 XL. Last but certainly not least, we present the Exerpeutic 400 XL, the best folding recumbent bike that brings convenience and performance together in a compact package. If space is a concern in your home gym or living area, this bike is here to save the day. The Exerpeutic 400 XL's foldable design allows you to easily tuck it away when not in use, making it ideal for apartments, small spaces, or even for those who prefer a clutter-free environment. But don't let its foldability fool you. This bike doesn't compromise on quality. It features a precision-balanced flywheel that ensures smooth and stable pedaling, delivering an enjoyable and effective workout experience. Its semi-recumbent design promotes natural body posture, reducing stress on your joints and back, so you can exercise comfortably for extended periods. The 400 XL also comes with a large LCD display that tracks your workout data, such as time, distance, calories burned, and speed, so you can monitor your progress and set new fitness goals. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast looking for a space-saving solution or someone starting their fitness journey, the Exerpeutic 400 XL is the perfect fit.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.